What's up, guys? It's me, your girl Elisa from StylishCurves.com, and today your girl is back with a new video. And for today's video, we are going to be playing a little fashion game. We're going to play Keep or Return. I picked up some new spring pieces from Target, their designer collection, as well as some pieces from their in-house brands. And I want you guys to tell me, what should I keep and what should I return? So if you are interested in checking out today's video, then you already know what to do, and that is to keep on watching. Slip on your red dress and put on your high heels. So let's jump right in and get started. I'm super hyped to do today's video. So I have picked up some pieces from Target's new spring designer collaboration. This is the collaboration they did with Fenoel, Rhode, and Agua Bendita. I hope I'm saying it correctly. So those collections launched last week, I think like April 15th. So I had ordered my pieces online, and a lot of those pieces came in a couple of days later, around like the 19th or 20th. So I'm going to show you those pieces that I got. And then I also picked up some more pieces from Target from their in-house brands like AVA and VIV. So I'm going to show you those pieces as well. For the fashion game, what I'm going to do is obviously show you the pieces, break them down, what I like, what I don't like. And you guys are going to leave me a comment. You're going to tell me the pieces that you think I should keep. And you're also going to tell me the pieces you think I should return. And I will, of course, be interacting with you guys in the comment section, letting you know if I agree or disagree. So today's video should be super fun. So you know what? Let's get into some designer collaboration pieces from Target, and we're gonna kick it off with Fenoel. All right, guys, so the first piece I want to show you from Fenoel is this fabulous kimono pant set. So this is a palm print belted kimono. It's so gorgeous, and it also comes with a pair of matching wide leg pants. Now Fenoel is a black owned designer brand. Her stuff is amazing. It's statement making pieces. So as you can see, when I saw this set, I was like, oh, this is me, because you guys know I love a good kimono. So I'm gonna try it on and tell you how it fits, and for you guys to see how it looks. All right now, y'all. All right, listen. This is gorgeous. I am so glad I was able to get this. This was something I was able to order the day of and get both pieces. Now the only thing is the pants, I really could have used a 3 in the pants, but they only had a 4 online. I was like, you know what? I want this set so bad, so I just got the 4 in the pants. Because I'm like, I can always alter the pants. And sometimes for those of you who feel like, oh, I shouldn't have to pay for something and then alter it. Listen, I don't have the type of body that is off the rack, okay? I have to buy things. Sometimes I have to buy them bigger just so I can get them tailored down. And this is something I think that is worth getting tailored specifically to my body. This is fantastic. I love this kimono. As you can see, it belts. And then this kimono I got in the 2, which fits perfectly to me. I mean, look at this. It has slits on the side on the kimono. The pants are nice and long, so I feel like this one I could totally rock with heels. So I like this. Let me know, should I keep or return? All right, so I am back with another Fenoel piece. I saw this super cute one shoulder crop top, and I thought it was just perfect for spring. I love the puffy shoulder. And I also love that it ties around the waist, so it's a really long belt. I think that this is super cute. It also zips up on the side. Now, I do have a bra on. I just rolled down one strap. Now, the only downside to this is that it's shorter in the back than it is in the front. So I would have to wear some really high waisted pants so my booty crack doesn't show. Anyway, I really like it. It feels nice and comfortable. It also is, this is more of like I think this is cotton, because it has no stretch in it. As you can see, it's very structured. but I really think this is a cute top. If you can find it in store, or maybe it's still available online somehow, some way, I think it's definitely worth getting. So let me know, should I keep or should I return? So we have another kimono from Fenoel. I love this one. I love the print on it, and I feel like this was one people slept on, because I was also able to order this online, and when I did, they had quite a few sizes left. I said, it's because y'all sleep on this. Y'all asleep. So I love the color combination in here. Again, I got this in a size 2X, which I feel like fits comfortably. This is super cute too for vacation, or even just for a little daytime. You know, you're going to a little brunch, something casual, nothing too much, you know, and you just throw this on. I would wear this just like this with some jeans. Of course, I'm going to throw on heels. I really love these kimonos, and I just think Fenoel did such an amazing job just on the quality and even the styles, because sometimes some of the Target designer collaborations, the designer's aesthetic doesn't necessarily translate well over, but Fenoel, I think she did. Love this kimono. Let me know, keep or return. Okay, so now we're gonna get into a piece that I got from Agua Bendita. I think that's how you pronounce it. This was also one of the second female designer collaborations Target did. Now, a lot of her stuff, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It was a lot of floral pieces. I'm not really that into. Hold up, guys, 1 second. I'm totally wearing this top the wrong way. It's supposed to be worn as a wrap top where the ties tie in the back. So I'm going to pop up a picture so you can see the correct way to wear the top. I knew I should have checked before I started filming, but it's still a cute set to be. All right, now let's carry on. I have a big bottom and a high bottom, so my butt is like literally on my back. So a lot of the times, that's why I really don't wear a lot of crop tops, because it just doesn't cover enough for me, and I don't need my crack showing. And a lot of the high-waisted pants don't really be high-waisted like that. Anyway, they have pockets on the side. This feels like it's linen. It's a little stretch, so it might be a linen blend. And then you get this little crop top set, the crop top, which I love that it's actually longer in the back. So I get to show off a little midriff, but I also get to cover up the back a little bit. So I like this set. Let me know what you guys think. Is this a keeper or should I return? I would wear a different bra with this, something that's not as thick in the middle, so I could just, you know, pull the ties over the bra and tie it together. But I like it. This is cute. Let me know, keep or return. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, just go right ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Giving me a thumbs up just lets YouTube know that you guys are enjoying the video, and it just pushes my video out for more people to watch it. Also, make sure you share this video once you finish watching it with anybody who's looking for some new spring affordable fashion. If you've liked more than 2 videos and you've been watching my channel for a while, just go ahead and join the family. Hit that subscribe button down below along with the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get back into some more spring fashion from Target. Alright guys, so let's get into this little white dress. This is from the 3rd designer collaboration, which was with Rhode. I want to add an S onto that so bad. I want to say Rhodes, but it's Rhode, and this is really cute. Now this is also a female designer. I think there's 2 for this one. And a lot of this stuff was sold out as well, so I was able to actually get this dress in store, and I got it in store recently. So I think I got it on like Friday or Saturday of this week, and I thought it was really cute. It has this ruffle detail around the neckline. You get this nice puff sleeve that has elastic on the end, and you get this cute little braided rope belt. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's like a little braided woven rope belt. I thought it was cute. What's also cool about this dress is that it has these little pleats on the skirt part of the dress, and this bad boy is lined. Can we talk about a lined white dress for under $40? I mean, you don't get that often. I think this is perfect for the summertime, perfect for spring, some wraparound sandals. This is gonna look cute with flats, wedges, espadrille, heels, something colorful. Imagine accessorizing with this, a nice bright colored bag, some bangles. Like, I mean, the little white dress is definitely a staple for summer. So let me know, should I keep or return? I think the length is pretty good too. Look at that. It is so cute. I really like this. So let me know, should I keep or return? All right, so that is everything that I got from the Target Spring Designer collaboration. So now we're gonna get into some pieces that I picked up from AVA and VIV as well as Fable. So first up is this red dress. Slip on your red dress and put on your high heels. I feel like you can never think of a red dress and not think about that song. Anyway, shout outs to Johnny Gill. No, anyway, so I got this dress from AVA and VIV. I found it in store. I thought it was really cute. I love that it had this kind of sarong wrap detail at the bottom. And then you kind of get this sweetheart neckline at the top. And then you get these beautiful balloon sleeves. Now, me and red normally is a no-no. I never pick anything red just because I have some trauma with red. But I thought it was cute, and I was just like, well, you know, it's not that bright, and red does complement my skin tone, so I really like how this looks. This dress does have stretch in it. I feel like it's a little sheer. It hits right at the knee. I think it's really cute. Let me know what you guys think. Is this a keep or is this a return? I feel like you can play around with this. I could color block with this with heels and a bag. I could truly dress this up, or we could, you know, dress it down. I think it's a keeper, but let me know in the comment section what you guys think. All right, so next up from AVA and VIV, I found these drawstring linen pants. I loved the print when I saw this online. It has, the pants have pockets on the side, a drawstring waist, elastic. I got these in a 3X and I think that they fit perfect. They definitely have more of a relaxed fit. They're wide leg, they're super cute. You can style these so many different ways. You could do like a white button up, tie it up at the waist. You could do a one shoulder top. You can obviously do a crop top. You can add like a kimono over this. Like, these are good vacation pants, especially if you're gonna be walking and shopping. Throw this on with a cute little top and you're good to go. The pants hit me all the way down to my ankles. I love them. They're very comfortable, very lightweight, perfect for vacation. So let me know, are these a keeper or should I return? But I feel like these are a keeper. I think you guys are going to say that. Okay, so the next piece I want to get into is from AVA and VIV. And this is a blue and white linen striped matching pant set. I love this. I actually saw this on another influencer. Her name is Alicia. She's on TikTok. So she actually had this set on and she had the top tied up like a crop top. And I was like, oh man, that's such a cute set. And when she said she got it from Target, I was like, really? I'm so dramatic. But as I said in one of my previous videos, this does kind of look like pajamas, but I told you guys I don't really care. If something looks like pajamas, I'm gonna wear what I like. Anyway, so this pinstripe top, I feel like because it's linen, it runs a little small. So I sized up in the top and wound up getting a 4X. And then in the pants, they didn't have a 3 in the pants, so I wound up getting a 2. I need the 3. I feel like there's a little tightness and pulling right here in the crotch area. And this is something I would want to wear casually and comfortably. This is perfect for vacation. And for the girls that don't like to show their arms, I love that it's short sleeve. Then you can also, you can tie the top any way you like. I'm so glad I did get the 4 in the top because it's a little oversized and a little more loose. So I feel like that gives me more room to play around with the tie. So I could tie it up as a crop top, but I could also just, you know, tie it how it's intended to be and, you know, just look cute and let it be loose. And you know what? Imagine this with a crossbody bag, right? A cute little crossbody bag or a nice little straw tote. Once you accessorize this, it's not going to look like pajamas. And again, no one's really going to care, even if they think it does. This with a cute pair of slides. espadrilles, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is a vibe right here. Now, I'm 5'7.5", 5'8" on a good day, and the pants actually graze the top of my feet. So I would, again, wear low heels with this, or you could even obviously do sneakers. The pants are elastic, but I'm going to go back and get the 3 because I want the pants to be loose as well. This is how it looks from the back. Let me know what you guys think. Is this a keep or a return? But I like it. I feel like some of you are going to say return because it looks like spring, summer pajamas. But I like it. It feels good. It does not feel itchy. It's lightweight. Like, I mean, I think we have a winner here. Okay, so next up from Target, I got a pair of cargo pants. Now, these cargo pants were actually mentioned in my denim trends video. If you guys have not checked that video out, you should because it's awesome. No, because I broke down all the denim trends, and denim cargos are having a moment right now for the spring and summer. So I found these black denim cargo pants, and oh man, I actually really like them, but it's like for me, they're tight here. And I don't know if I should size up because I like how they fit in the leg. But it's just tight around that gut. But I think they're so cute. I love the white stitching. The leg fits great. The length is great on these. They're high-waisted, like really high-waisted. They cover up the crack. Like, even trying to get them on, I gotta be like... But I think they're cute. So let me know if I should keep these or return these. I feel like I could totally rock these, obviously, with sneakers. I could do a graphic tee. And I could also throw on like some pointed toe heels or something with this. Like, I feel like this would be cute with a blazer or a nice little crop jacket. They have pockets on the side. Let me know what you guys think. I really do like these cargos. I just need to size up in them. Maybe. Or do you guys hate them? So let me know in the comment section, keep or return. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out today's video. I will have links to everything I showed you down in the description box. If you guys want to see how I style some of these pieces or where I might wear them to, make sure you guys are following Stylish Curves on Instagram. For more plus size style, fashion, and beauty, check out the blog stylishcurves.com. If you have not, hit that subscribe button down below along with the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you enjoyed today's video, just go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up and also share it. Thank you again so much for checking out today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.